Are you looking for a unique bag that you can wear on both sides? Then we have the perfect do-it-yourself for you. With this tutorial, you can make a beautiful double-sided bag yourself. We use print A for the outside and print B for the inside of the bag. We can't wait to see which fabrics you have chosen. The only thing you need to purchase are strips. Markings are indicated on the fabric for the straps. You can easily get started with cutting, as markings also indicated for this. Lug or zigzag with the sewing machine the unfinished edges of print A and print B neatly on the edge all around. Then, fold the fabric in half lengthwise with the right sides together and secure it with fabric clips or pins. Basting improves the results, so if you have time, we definitely recommend it. Next, sew the side at 1 cm, but leave an opening of at least 12 cm in one side seam of print B to turn the bag inside out. Preferable, do this in the middle or slightly lower in the side seam of the bag, so that it's not visible later. Press the seams open and fold the corners into a triangle. Measure 18 cm perpendicular to the seam and sew the triangle to the 18 cm line. Keep in mind that print A and print B each have 2 corners. To ensure the sturdiness of the bottom of the bag, we choose not to cut and lock the corners. This way, the bag remains robust and solid. Now we can start sewing the corners of print A and print B. We have 4 corners in total. Here you can see the opening, where we will later turn the bag inside out. Then measure 2 pieces of 90 cm tape for the handles of the bag. Now it's time to attach the handles. Place both handles between the markings on the printed side of print A. Make sure that the handles are not twisted and that there's no side seam between them. And don't forget to place the handles on the correct side of each other. To give the bag more rigidity, it's important to leave 3 cm of tape protruding above the edge of the bag. Sew the tape to the edge, a few millimeters from the edge, so it does not shift. Now, place the top of print A on the top of print B, with the right sides of the fabric together, and secure them with clips, pins or basting thread. The handles may not be visible, except for the pieces of 3 cm that we have sewn above the edge. But don't worry, we only need to make sure they stay in place during sewing. Keep the handles perpendicular to the edge of the bag and gently hold it in place so they don't slide while working. Now we will sew the seam pieces at 1 cm. Next, sew the corners of print A and print B. This will make the bag look like one cohesive piece. You can do this by using 2 channels. Have you ever wondered what's inside your bag? Well, now it's the time to take a look. Turn the bag through the opening in the side seam and neatly close it by hand or machine on the edge. Your bag is nearly ready. The final step is, of course, to decorate. We are going to start with the top edge. Bringing them together will not only look good, but also make it more sturdy. Next, we iron the edge to keep the fabric perfectly aligned on the seam. Finally, we can use clips to hold the fabric in place. But if you prefer more old-school techniques, like pins and bastings, there are also fine options. The last decoration we are going to show you is a study block stitch at the handles. And voila! Your own double-sided bag is ready. You can share a photo of your creation on social media with the hashtag QualityTextilesDIU or hashtag double-sided-dream-bag. We love to see what you created. Share and like the post, and thank you for watching.